Mama by Tim McGraw. This is a great song. I love a well-written country song. By the way, if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe down below. Leave a comment, hit me up with any requests you got. I'd love to fill them. So this song, it incorporates one of my favorite little little acoustic pick and walk downs. It's in the key of D. I'm going to give you the intro, and then I'm going to give you the verse, the chorus, and there's a little bridge in it that I'll give you as well. But what's cool about this is it's just the flow of it. The intro goes like this. So what I'm doing there is I'm working off a D chord. I got a regular D chord, however you want to hit it. You can do it like that. I choose to do it like this because what's happening is I'm taking my second finger and lifting it off. Which makes that a D major 7, okay? Then the next move, I lift it all the way off the B string and just hit and back to the D major 7. And what that does is it creates an interior melody. And that only happens in the intro and then in between verses. It's like a little setup. It happens one time between the verses. If you want the complete blueprint for this song, including the tabs, chords, and more, go to jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's completely free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier. So the verse itself, it does a walk down. You know, you can do it several different ways, and I was just talking to Jason about this. You can do it, the way it's written in the chord charts is a D to an A, okay, to a G, D, E minor, to A. The way I like to teach it though, and I think you'll appreciate this if you can do it, is you take that D chord, and rather than going to an A chord, you walk it down. Get your third finger on that 4th fret of the A string. It's a C sharp note. It's also by the way, part of an A chord. It's there. But, and then rather than hitting a G chord, it is a G, but, so. Hear this in a million different ways in a million different songs, so it would behoove you to learn this to get the flow of what Tim is doing here. You can also do it with a pick. It sounds like this. To G chord, and if you want to, you can, if you're doing a G like this, it might be easier to get your thumb over. See how I'm doing that? To a D, but you got your thumb hitting that F sharp, 2nd fret E string, and then E minor to the A, and then it does another version of walk downs where it goes to B minor, open up that A, G, again the D with the F sharp, and then you open up the A string with the B minor. Walk down. And I called Mama. And there you do your little intro lick again, which is the it goes right back to this verse. Okay? So that's verse and chorus, and the intro, verse, chorus, and then the little in-between thing. Then we also have later on, he does like a little sort of bridge solo thing, and I'll show you that right now. Here's the setup for the bridge. You just hang out on the D. Then you walk the G down. E minor. it's a little pedal steel lick. Not to be confused with the intro, which is... which sounds a little bit like Everybody's Talking. Great old song by Fred Neil. So that's one of the things I love about really well-written country songs, and I hope you enjoy that. And that's Tim McGraw, I Called Mama.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome and rock and roll!
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.